Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
The God has created this universe. God has created the cosmic manifestation, innumerable universes. But He is not interested in it. He is interested, He is created, He has given us facility to live here. But He is not coming here to enjoy this. But He has got better. Or He doesn't care about all these opulences. That is another qualification of God. So, this human form of life is meant for understanding God and scientifically, with full knowledge. That is described in the Srimad Bhagavatam. Therefore we are preaching this Bhagavad discourse. In the beginning of Srimad Bhagavatam, what is the nature of God? That has been described. Janmadasya jatha annaya itaratascha artheshu avijñā sara. God is cognizant. He knows everything. He is a sentient being, not like a dead stone. If God is not sentient being, if God is not a person, how so many powerful persons, sentient persons coming from Him? If the father is not intelligent, how the sons and daughters can become intelligent? A dog cannot give birth to an intelligent person. A person who is intelligent, he can give birth to intelligent children. This is our practical experience. Therefore, this description of God, Vaisajyasya samagrasya bijasya jasasasya, we should try to understand what is God. If you can find out a person who is superior in everything, in wealth, in strength, in beauty, in fame, in knowledge, in renouncement, he is God. Don't capture any fourth-class God. If you are intelligent, try to understand what is the meaning of God and try to understand. So, here in the Srimad Bhagavatam, it is said that is first-class religion. What is that? Which gives opportunity to the followers how to love God. Why should we not? If God is great, if our Father is so great, why should we not love? We flatter somebody here having say a few millions of dollars, we flatter, and who is the richest of all, we should not love him. Why? What is the reason? And actually, he is supplying everything. Eka bhunang vidudhati kama. He is supplying all necessities of life to all living, beginning from the ant to the elephant. So why not to us? We have dedicated our whole life for the service of God. If God is giving food to the ant, to the elephant, why not to us? So don't think that you will starve in God consciousness. You will never starve. You go on with your duty, loving God and preaching love of God. You will always be opulent. Be sure. A ordinary man, if you work for him, he gives you salary, good salary. And we are working for God, we don't get salary. How is it? We must get. If you are really lover of God, worker for God, don't think of your economic condition. It will be support. In the Bhagavad-gita it is said, Yoga khemam mahamaham. He personally supplies whatever necessities are there. Just like a father, a small child who is completely dependent on the parents. The parents look after the comfort. The child does not ask the parent because he cannot speak out. So he simply depending on God, simply depending on parents. If you simply depend on God, there is no question of your economic problem. Be sure. This is common sense. So there is scarcity of devotees of God at the present moment. People have rejected God. Somebody is saying God is dead. Somebody is accepting a rascal as God. Somebody is declaring himself as God. No. Try to understand God scientifically and become a devotee, a lover of God. Your life will be successful. That is Krishna consciousness movement. It is not that my God, your God, this religion, that religion. God is one and religion is one. What is that religion? Love of God. That's all. There is no other second religion. This is the religion. Therefore, God comes and says, Sarva dharman parityajya mam ekam saralam bhaja. This is religion.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.